Hi and welcome to Library Management System developed using Microsoft Access. Well, this is how it works. We have a drop-down list of the different options there, type of members, reference, and here we have title, can be whatever you want it to be, and there you just need to enter a name. Let's say the name is, let's say one, I think that's the spelling, and the old name, let's say that is Lucky, and the address, whatever the address you want it to be. All you just need to do is to click on update grid, and right there it should appear there somewhere. There we go. You can also click on this for the book that you intend to borrow, or if you want the dynamic pointer, and here you can click on this to get the tags bar out, to get it back. Okay, add new record there. So let's enter reference, and whoever this might be, Dr. King Jones, yeah, something like that. An address of Mr. Jones 8. Yeah, that's the details of King, and he lives in 8 Lookmon Road, and so on. So what book does he want? Let's say he wants information about Big Town, Australia. There we go. And the date of borrowing, let's say that is today, and it's due back. He has approximately 2 weeks, let's say Friday. Okay, that's going to be about 8 days. Okay, all right, let's make it about 2 weeks. There we go. All right, and late returns is going to end up on pay £2 something. Is it late return? No. And there, so all you just need to do is to add his details onto the grid there. That is it right there. I think it's right below. Let me show it to you guys. Yeah, that's the details of King Jones. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to take you guys straight into Microsoft Access development environment, and we'll put one of these together. So let's do that now, guys. Okay guys, let's start a new project. So I'm going to click on this blank database. There we go. Let's give it a name. We'll call that library. Library system, and there, save it in online document, and that is it. Okay, I have my table there. Let's save that table as library. There we go. There. And now that the library table is saved, I'm going to right click and select design view. And right in there, let's get rid of this primary key for now. So that's going to be members. Enter member type there. And I'm going to change the data type. I believe you know the meaning of data type, so I don't need to be explaining that. And the next one is going to be the reference number. There we go. Then we have title in here, followed by first name, surname, and let's go for address 1 and address number 2. I'm going to have to speed that up, then show it to you guys. Address number 2. And that's it, guys. That's how it's looking now. So let me show you the rest of the table. So that is it. So you can create something like that as well. Okay, I'm going to carry out some other changes in there, or some other modification, I mean. So you see we have member type, make sure it's selected, and I'm going to come to lookup in there, display control. I'm going to change that to combo box, and right there I've already selected role source value type. Okay, value list, and in here I've entered the following: student, lecturer, and admin. If you like, you can add more than that. Okay, and the next one, title. I'm going to change the title. Okay, I have not done anything with this, I just left them the way they are, but I'm going to change the title as well to combo box. And there I have captain, doctor, Mr., Miss, and so on. Oh, let's enter reverend as well. Rev. Okay, there we go. Alright, we need to change one more, and that is going to be for my books. So in here, book list. So go to lookup, and I'm going to change this to let's use list box. There we go. Right in the list box, the role source is value list as well, and here, okay, those are the books, the ones you're looking at here. There they are. So you can make up your own books as well. Those are just the name of my books. You see this one, dynamic hunter, that's my name. If you use a Wooten name generator, so Paul Lumen actually means dynamic hunter. Well, that's strange. So that's why I added that in there. Right, this is it, dynamic hunter and other books. So click on that. That's okay, that's fine. So my table is officially ready. So if I go to view, data set, let's save that. There we go. There's nothing in there right now, so I'm going to close that. The next thing I want to do right now is to select create, and right inside create I'm going to select form, this very one, and that will automatically just create the form, everything for me, the interface for me actually, and it's coming up. There we go, done. Piece of cake. Oh, you see the last return fee, I should have shown that to you guys. If we come in here, let's go to design view. I'm going to get rid of that for now. Let's come down here. I actually enter a value in there. This one, I enter a value in there. That's it. So that value is constant. That's why it's there. So close that. Now, the form design. That's the form that we've just designed. Okay. And there, if you press Ctrl F1, there we go. That's the rest of the form. And this is this. That's my list box. But I want my list box here somewhere. So to achieve that, right click up there and let's select design. Now this form, let's move it that way. And guess what? The color of this form here, let's see the color property. If you right click, you can get the property, or click on design and you can get a property as well there. So there, that, let's see the background, the back color, that'll be there somewhere. Let's click on this one. This is the back color, it's 80%. I'm going to copy that back color copy it and select this form itself. I don't like the background I have in there. Just change it. That's it, changed. Okay, now this very one, I'm going to move it, but you can only move it, or I'm just going to copy this one first. Let's cut it, cut, and let's paste it. Paste. It's right there, here. That is it here. Drag it, drop it there. Now let's grab this one, repeat exactly the same thing, control and cut it off and paste it there. Now grab it and drag, drop it there. I can now readjust the whole size, everything the way I want. Okay, this one, so right click and select properties, or just highlight it, come into design, select properties, and you see the height there. I'm just gonna make that about 10. Oh no, that's the wrong one. I want this, the height, to be 10, right? And let's see it now. Okay, that's it. And this one, let's reduce that. Let's reduce that to the size of this. This one is, the height is 1.032. okay, copy that and select this, just paste that there, height. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just modify the look of the whole interface, and I'll get back to you guys. This one, then we'll start writing some codes. But if I run it now, this is how it looks for now. There we go, that's how it looks. I need some buttons here. I need to move these here. Yeah, design. Okay, let's do that. Let's make some space here, and here I need to move this very one. Let's cut them both, cut and paste them somewhere. Just paste. Now drag it right down. There we go. There. Okay. And right underneath here, let's create some space. We need, let's go to design. We need a list box. Yeah, grab that and just draw it there. There we go. Alright, we have a list box there. It's coming up. There we go, that's our list box. Right. So for the list box, I'm not going to add anything because I'll use lines of code to take care of that. So I'm going to cancel that. Yeah, cancel that. Just leave the list box there. But you see the title of the list box, I'm going to delete that. I don't want that title there, so delete that. Now we need some buttons. Let's come to design again, and I might as well pin that down instead of just going. Okay, now that is going to be for, yeah, next record. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's see, CMB next. Right, change the name, finished. And the next one is going to be, let's get another button there, and this is for previous. Next, there we go, and just call this CMB previous. There, finish. And I need a couple more buttons. Let's call this one add. Yeah, add new. CMB add new. There. Okay, I need two or three more buttons. Okay, add this other button. And I'm going to, for this very button, I'll just get rid of that and I'll just call it update grid. Right, add another button. I'm going to call this, get rid of that, I'm going to call this tab, no, let's say toolbar, yes. Okay, I'm just going to copy that. Let's copy instead of going up and down. Yeah, copy it and drag it there. It's going to be toolbar, no. And finally, one more button, and I'll call that exit. Right, so select it all. I want to change the background color for these very buttons. Now let me use this same color here. I'm going to copy that color and let's come in here, grab all of those buttons, select it all, and properties, this, where is the back color, just change it there. Okay, now let's come to border width, make that 4, and the border color I'm going to make that black, and yeah, looking good. Now let's change the font size to about 18 and make it bold. Where is it? Font width, make that bold there. So guys, you see what's happening? So what I'm going to do now is just to increase the size of these buttons, and I will get back to you guys once I finish enhancing the interface. Then I'll get back to you guys shortly. Okay, you can do that yourself. But one more thing, you see this very one? Yeah, might as well just change that right in front of you guys as well. 18, bold, and what other changes? Let's come to effects, change the effect to raise. There we go. And this one, let me change this very one here up here to white as well. The back color of this is background 1. Copy, then select this and change it to background 1 as well. Background white. That's it. Okay, if I come in here and just go to form view, this is what you guys are seeing. So let me enhance the whole interface and I'll get back to you guys shortly. There we go guys, this is how it looks like. So let me run it for you guys. And also here I've enhanced this very one. Okay, what I did was, let's go straight to the properties. Right inside the property there where we have the data. That's it. All I just wanted to do is to calculate the difference between dates borrowed and date due. That's it. That's how to do that. And if you want to know more about it, you can always go to Microsoft here. There's a lot of information on what to do. Okay, date different function right there, and there we go. That's the function there. This is the very one that I used. Okay, so you can use that to work out the date. Oh, this is the very one that I used. This very one. Okay, so I'm going to minimize that. And here I told you guys about the meaning of my name using the Wooton name generator. So if I run this program now, this is what you see. Okay, and here I've added dynamic hunter there, and that's my name actually, Paul Omen. If you come in here, for those of you that know about the Wu-Tang name generator, just enter your name in there. That's my name, and there we go. It actually gives you, that's it, Dynamic Hunter. That's why I'm using that name. And if you guys know this guy, Danny Glover, if you enter his name in there, and that way officially gives you Childish Gambino. So that's just a tip for you guys. So let's come in here, back in here now. So what we want to do is to, these 2, 1, 2, 3, they are all set, but these 4 buttons here, let's write some codes in there. I'm going to start with this one first. So let's come in here now, or we can even call this the end of the first part of this tutorial. Yeah, second part we start with the coding. Bye for now.